Hello everyone, Ranjitha here, and I'm here today to share with you the unboxing of my recent CrafTangles kit. So this is the parcel I have received. Let's open it and see what is inside. Looks like I have got a lot of interesting stuff inside. Let me unpack and show you what all are there in this kit. Firstly, I have this charcoal black cardstock. This is 250 GSM and this would be perfect for card bases and also for scrapbooking. Then I have this craft cardstock in 225 GSM. And next we have the most trending product. I've been waiting to lay my hands on these. These are transferred sheets and this one is the ballerina design. I can't tell you how much I love these. My little one loves to do ballet and so this is one of my favorites. I'm hoping to come with some interesting products using these designs. The best part of these transferred sheets is behind the packaging you have detailed instructions on how to use these transferred sheets. Quite clear and easy to follow pictorial instructions. You also have this QR code wherein if you scan it, you directly go to the video demonstrating how to use these transferred sheets clearly. Very clear and easy to follow instructions. Next, I have these beautiful pink florals here. You can use them on many projects. They are very universal and versatile designs. And then I have these beautiful succulents. The illustrations are so beautiful and the coloring is so nice. You will just fall in love right when you see them, and I'm already having so many ideas. Then we have these cute bears. We are handmade artists and we often make a lot of handmade gifting. So these would be perfect for your packing or making some cute embellishments for your customers as well. Beautiful, isn't it? The bears are so beautifully illustrated and they're so cute. This one is one of my favorites too. As you can see, these are very unique because you have these horizontal illustrations and the bunnies are cute. These make perfect love cards. Though you have some Valentine sentiments here and there, but you can use them all year round since these illustrations are so universal and versatile. Then I have these kitty illustrations. Since summer is just setting in, I'm sure we can make a lot of projects using these cutely illustrated kitties here. You also have some summer embellishments here and there. Next, I have these cute unicorns. These are supposed to go well for your birthday return gifts, for your kids' birthday parties and other party favors. Then I have these beautiful monsters. They're too cute. As you can see here, all the images are flipped here. This is because you apply your transfer sheet upside down. So that is the reason all your images are flipped. So don't worry when you see your images flipped, that is how they work. Next, I have these cute animals here. You can make some fridge magnets or you can make kids personalized door hangers or name plaques with these. They are quite big in size and you can use them on many different projects. Now that we have seen a lot of cute elements, then I have this beautiful set of images that go well for men who are very interested in sports. Not just men, I think anyone who is a sports lover, these images would go very well to make some gifts for them. Then I have some vintagey coats here. These are perfect for gentlemen who like to play around with their tools and music and all that. Next, we have this vintage elements here. You can see you have perfume bottles, you have mannequins, you have crowns and butterflies. Next, I have these yoga themed designs here. These would be perfect backgrounds for home decor. You can also use them for coasters or simple fridge magnets as well. Next, I have this beautiful kitchen themed quotations here. The best part of this release is you have something for everyone. You have some sheets for kids, you have something for your kitchen, you have something for home decor, you have something for gentlemen, for everything for everyone. So next I have this tribal sheets here. These would be very beautiful on your bottles or flower vases as well. So this was my DT kit. I'm really in love with all the designs and I can't wait to show you so much inspiration using these designs. Do let me know in the comment section what is your favorite sheet, and also if you want me to make something very specific, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to come back with some detailed videos on them. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Do subscribe to our channel for more such crafty inspiration. I will be back with another interesting video. Until then, bye.